Somewhere in the Nevada desert, in hangars that don't officially exist, America has been building machines so advanced, so secret, so terrifyingly powerful that most of the world doesn't even know they're real. These are not concepts. These are not rumors. These are the most dangerous flying machines on planet Earth, and they belong to the United States of America. 5 aircraft, 5 generations of pure destruction-proof engineering. Welcome to Quantum BattleCore. Lock in, because what you're about to see will change how you look at the sky forever. Number 1. The F-75 NGD Fighter. Forget everything you know about fighter jets. This one doesn't just break the rules of aerial combat, it rewrites them completely. The F-75 is America's most classified aviation program, the next-generation air dominance fighter. And it represents something the world has never seen before, a 6th-generation combat aircraft. While other nations are still perfecting 5th-generation stealth, America has already moved 2 steps ahead. The F-75 is designed to fly alongside autonomous drone wingmen, AI-controlled aircraft that extend its reach, multiply its firepower, and create a combat network no enemy radar can fully comprehend. This is adaptive engine technology. This is next-generation sensor fusion. This is a fighter jet built not for today's battles, but for wars that haven't even been imagined yet. The Pentagon has called it the most important fighter program in American history. The F-75, the 6th generation, has arrived, and America got there first. Number 2. The B-21 Raider. There's a bomber flying somewhere over American skies right now, and no radar on Earth can find it. The B-21 Raider is the most advanced stealth bomber ever constructed, the successor to the legendary B-2 Spirit, and it was built with one mission in mind: to become completely, utterly invisible. Its blended flying wing design isn't just for looks. Every curve, every surface, every material has been engineered to scatter radar waves into nothing. The B-21 can fly intercontinental distances without refueling, carry both conventional and nuclear payloads, and strike targets anywhere on the planet with the level of precision that borders on surgical. But here's what truly sets it apart. The B-21 is built around an open systems architecture, meaning it can be upgraded with next-generation technology for decades without ever becoming obsolete. This is not just a bomber. This is a flying fortress that doesn't exist on anyone's radar screen except America's own. Once again, the United States has built something the rest of the world simply cannot see coming. The B-21 Raider. Silent, invisible, and absolutely unstoppable. Number 3. The F-22 Raptor. Before there was a 6th generation, before there was an F-35, there was the Raptor. The F-22 didn't just become a stealth fighter, it became the gold standard that every other nation has spent over 2 decades trying and failing to match. This aircraft combines supersonic speed, extreme stealth, and unmatched maneuverability into a single airframe that dominates the skies the moment it appears. It can cruise at supersonic speeds without even using afterburners, a capability called supercruise, allowing it to strike fast, strike first, and disappear before the enemy even understands what happened. Its thrust vectoring engines allow it to perform maneuvers that should be physically impossible for an aircraft of this size, twisting, turning, and outflying anything that dares to challenge it. For over 20 years, the F-22 Raptor has held a record that still stands today. It has never lost a single dogfight. Not one. American air superiority isn't a claim, it's a statistic, and the Raptor wrote it. Number 4. The B-2 Spirit. It looks like something from another world, a flying wing, all black, completely silent, carrying within it some of the most devastating power ever placed inside a single aircraft. This is the B-2 Spirit. For decades, this has been the most feared bomber on the planet, capable of slipping past the most sophisticated air defense systems on Earth, completely undetected. The B-2 can carry both conventional precision-guided weapons and nuclear payloads, giving it the ability to strike any target, anywhere on the globe, with absolutely no warning whatsoever. It has flown non-stop missions lasting over 30 hours, launching from American soil, striking targets on the other side of the world, and returning home without ever once being detected by enemy radar. Only 20 of these aircraft exist. Each one costs over $2 billion. This isn't just a bomber. It is the physical embodiment of American strategic dominance, silent, patient, and absolutely devastating when called upon. The B-2 Spirit, the ghost that the world has feared for over 30 years.
And number 5, the F-35 Lightning II. If the F-22 is a specialist, the F-35 is the most versatile killing machine ever built. This is the most produced, most deployed, and most technologically networked fighter jet on Earth, flown not just by America, but by allied nations across the entire globe. The F-35 isn't just an aircraft, it's a flying supercomputer. Its helmet-mounted display allows pilots to literally see through the floor of the cockpit using external cameras, giving them 360-degree situational awareness that no enemy pilot can match. It can operate as a stealth fighter, a ground attack aircraft, and an aerial command center, all in the same mission, all in the same airframe. With sensor fusion technology, an F-35 pilot doesn't just see their own surroundings, they see everything every Allied aircraft sees, creating a shared battlefield picture that overwhelms any opponent before a single shot is fired. Over 1,000 of these aircraft are already operational, making it the backbone of American air power for the next 50 years. The F-35 Lightning II, proof that American technology doesn't just lead the world, it connects it. If this gave you chills, smash that like button, subscribe to Quantum BattleCore, and hit the bell so you never miss what's flying next.